द्वाविंशतिः स्थिरवासरः मन्दवासरः शनिवासरः. It is Saturday 22nd is the second portion, the Ramayanam. Let's do Mangalacharanam. Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Bhiyata Nishachara Chamu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha Rama Nasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham Rame Chittale Sada Bhautame Bho Rama Mamadhara Rama Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varadane Shri Rama Nama Varadana Undamaiti. I think last time we finished with this 13th Sargaha, Trayodasha Sargaha, Sankshipta Varnanam. Let's read one more time. We didn't do the Vyakaranam, we did Anuvadaha, but no Vyakaranam. So I wanted to keep the Vyakaranam at least some Vyakaranam because we have some interesting forms, but we'll keep it as brief as possible. So let's read one more time. Pushpaka Vimana Nirgato Hanuman Vidyudvegena Sarvaton Vishyapyalabdasita Darshanaha Tasya Vinasham Eva Darshane Hetutvenot Prekshate Janakya Anupalabdhi Rame Nivedita Pyanek Mahanartha Padiketi Vichintya Prati Prayana Nivrittaha Prayopaveshanam Pranamokshanam Ravanamarnam Va Yavad Vichintayati Tavad Ekam Vanavatikam Ananveshitam Nirdhajya Tamanveshtum Upakrantaha Svodyoga Safalyapadanartham Rishideva Gana Brahmadin Pararthayate. One more time. Pushpaka Vimanan Nirgato Hanuman Vidyudvegena Sarvaton Vishyapyalabdha Sita Darshanastasya Vinasham Eva Darshane Hetutvenot Prekshate Janakya Anupalabdhi Rame Nivedita Pyanek Mahanartha Padiketi Vichintya Pratiprayanan Nivrittaha Prayopaveshanam Pranamokshanam Ravanamarnam Va Yavad Vichintayati Tavad Dekam Vanavatikam Ananveshitam Nirdharya Tam Anveshtum Upakrantaha Svodyoga Safalyapadanartham Rishi Deva Guna Brahmadin Prarthayate. So Padacheda is Pushpaka Vimana. We did this last time, so I'm just repeating again. Pushpaka Vimanat Nirgataha Hanuman Vidyudvegena Sarvataha Anmishya Api Alabdha Sita Darshanaha Tasyaha Sitayaha Vinasham Eva Adarshane Hetutvena Utprekshate. Janakyaha Upalabdhi. See the interesting sandhi here. That sutram Rory coming over here from Jantalope Purus Dirgonaha, which is so 8314 and 63111. Nivedita Anivedita Api Anek Mahanartha Padika Iti. So one more time. Nivedita Anivedita Api Anek Mahanartha Padika Iti Vichintya Pratiprayanat Nivrittaha Prayopaveshanam Pranamokshanam Ravanamarnam Va Yavad Vichintayati Tavat Ekam Vanavatikam Ananveshitam Nirdharya Tam Anveshtum Upakrantaha Svodyoga Safalyapadanartham Rishi Deva Gana Brahmadin Prarthayate. So Pushpaka Vimana Nirgataha. So coming out of the Pushpaka Vimanam, Hanuman Vidyudvegena, the speed of lightning, Sarvataha, all around, Anvishya Api, even after having searched all around, Alabdha Sita Darshanaha, he did not get the Bahubali compound. Alabdham Sitayaha darshanam yena saha. He did not find Sita. Tasyaha vinasham eva adarshane hetutvena utprekshate. So that he guesses that the cause for not seeing her must be because she has perished. Tasyaha vinasham eva adarshane hetutvena utprekshate. Utpreksha means he conjectures that the cause, hetutvena, as the cause, in the manner of that. This is idiomatic. Hetutvena. Hetu, of course, is the cause. Hetutvam is the causeness. Hetutvena, in the manner of causeness. It doesn't make sense in English. In the manner of causeness. That manner is the titya vibhakti there. Basically, he conjectures that as the cause. That her perishing must be the cause of not seeing. In the matter of not seeing her, her perishing must be the cause. Then Janakyaha anupalabdhihi, so not finding Sita. Rame nivedita, so informed. So if it's informed, it will convey to Rama. Anivedita api, but not informed to Rama. In either case, anek maha anartha. It is maha anartha. Anek maha anartha. Lot of problems. Maha anartha means lot of big problems. Anartha means it is the Artha means it is something which is useful. Anartha means it is not useful. So we'll go to Vyakaranam. Aneka Mahanartha Padika. It will bring with it a lot of big problems, many big problems. Whether it is conveyed to Rama or not conveyed to Rama. So, thinking thus, vichintya, thus thinking, iti vichintya. Thinking thus, this iti is a quotation from here to here. Janakyaha anupalabdhihi rame nivedita anivedita anivedita api aneka mahanartha padika iti. That is the quotation. Vichintya, thinking thus, pratiprayanat nivruttaha. He decided not to go back. Pratiprayana means returning. Nivruttaha, he turned away from going back. Prayopaveshanam, so he thought of fasting to death. Pranamokshanam, or giving up his life. Ravana maranam vayu, so I should kill Ravana. Yavat vichintya, so just as he was thinking that, this is yavat tavat combination. Just as he was thinking that, he spots ekam vanavatikam. He spots a grove in that enclosure, in that forest of Vanavatikam, Ananveshitam, which was not searched by him. Nirdharya, realizing that, concluding that this was a place that he had not searched. Tam anveshtum, in order to search that place. Upakrantaha, he begins to search that place. In order to begin searching that place, Swadyoga Sapalyapadanartham, in order to bring about success in his endeavor. Swa-udyoga. Sapalyam means, of course, success. Sapalasya bhava. Sapala means with good result, successful. So Sapalyam is the property of that, means success. In order to bring success in that endeavor, he prays to the rishis and the gods, the host of gods and rishis, Rishideva Gana and Brahmadin, also Brahmadeva, etc. So that is what he's saying that. So he catches sight of a grove which he has not seen, not searched, and then before, as he begins to search as he upakranta, so he begins searching in there, searching that grove, and before that he prays to these gods, etc. Now Vyakaranam, again trying to keep it as brief as possible. Vidyudvegena, we're not taking all the points from. And thanks to Ravi also putting some of these points. Vidyuto vegaha, vidyut vegaha, the speed of lightning. Very, very simple. Shakti Purushaha. Almost never you will get a Vigraha Vakyam on this one because it's very common. Compounds. Vidyuto vegaha, vidyut vegaha. Tena, by the speed of lightning. Sarvataha, this pratyaya is tasil, panchamyas tasil. So from all sides, panchamyas tasil. If I just give you some numbers, if you want to search this out, we have seen this sutram when we did the Avyaya Prakaranam. So this is the Kim Sarvanama Bahubhyo Kim Sarvanama Bahubhyo Dvyadibhya Advyadibhya. So kim sarvam bahubhyo dvyadibhyah. So pranchamyastasil. So from all sides, sarvatah. And this gets the avya sanya by chaditascha sarvabhakti. Chaditascha sarvabhakti gets the avya sanya by 1138. Anvishya, usual formation. Anu ish is to desire after or to search. So first the pratyaktva comes in by samankartakyoha purva kale, when one doer is doing two actions. In anvishya, so even having searched, he could not find anywhere. So and then what happens into the compound kugati pradeha, then the pratyaktva takes the lyap adesha by samasanyang purvekatva lyap. We've seen many times before. It's nothing new. Anvishya dhatu is anu upasarga plus ish. Ish is to ichhati, but anvish is to search. Hetutvam is hetoh bhava hetutvam. This is a nice section in the Tadita land, which is the tasya bhavastvatalav. Tasya bhavastvatalav. This is 51119. So this is so hetutvam is causeness, the property of being the cause. So this one iksha darshane comes in Gita. Ikshate yoga yuktatma sarvata sarvadarshanaha. Yomam pashyati sarvata sarvam chamai pashyati tasyana pranashyami sachamena pranashyati. So that comes in Gita chapter 6 from chapter 6. Ikshate yoga yuktatma sarvata sarvam ikshate. So here we have the form utprekshate. Utpreksham is related to conjecture, to imagine, kind of imagine. He imagines. So not the same thing like in Gita, iksha plus lat. By the time this should be easy for us. Anubandha lopa tipta ji. And because this is the apanipada dhatu anudatta nita apanipadam. We look at this number 694 dhatu partha. I think this has a anudatta it. So 1.694 iksha darshaneo. Let's check that. 694. Yeah, anudatta nitapanipadam. Iksha, here it is. Anudatta nitapanipadam. And then we get titapanipadam tere, titapanipadam tere, then katri shap, anubandha lopaha, and then adgunaha and karicha utprekshate. This dhatu vida comes in many ganas. We have veti, we have vindati, we have vinte, and then if you look at apteji and then we have this vedayati. So this we are talking about this word nivedita, anivedita api. So nivedita means informed, conveyed. So this dhatu with, you have to watch up this dhatu. It is with the jnane, the satyayam, with the labhe. So it comes in 5 ganas in total. 5 ganas in total. In the second gana, veti. In the fourth gana, vidyate. 6th gana, vindati. 7th gana, everything become vinte, then vedayati in the 10th gana. So we have to be careful of that. Give me 1 second, please. I think what happened was okay. Okay. Anyway, I'm not able to. Okay. Anyway, it's in 4 or 5 ganas because that is okay. Now, but here we have this Vida Chetana Khyana Nivaseshu. This is 10th gana. So we get the Nich Pratyaha by Swatya Nich Churadi Ganaha, which you're going to go in the next class when we do this one. Satyapapasha Rupa Veena Tula Churadibhyo Nich. Churadi Ganaha takes Nich Swarte. So we got Ved plus Nich becomes Vedi. Chutu Hanantyam Ugandalakupatasya Cha. Then Sanajanta Dhatavaha Vedi plus Kta Sutam Nishtha Taktavatu Nishtha. And then what happens? You get the Idagamaha. Idag first Anubandha Lopa Lishakutadite Idagamaha by Ardhadhatukasya Valade here. Now because this is a Anekash Dhatu, we cannot use there's no Innishedha by Ekash Upadishanudhattat. So we have to just use there's no Innishedha. Innishedha only applies when you have a Ekash Dhatu, Anudatta Upadesha. So Vedi Ita, and then come Nishtayam Seti. So when the Nich Pratyaya follows is followed by a Nishtha Pratyaya, which has taken Idagamaha, the Nich Pratyaya takes Lopaha. Nishtayam seti, so Vedita. So like in Mohitanna Bhijanati comes in Gita chapter 7. So Mohita, same thing in Gita. So all these places when you have a nish pratyaya followed by a set nishtha, nish takes lopaha. Then Nivedita from a compound Kugati Pradyaha. Then Vichintya. Same thing here also we take the Chiti Smrityam. And then this is a iditanum dhatoham. So we know all these steps already. So the first thing is do the numagamaha midachontyat paraha. Then after that, that should be the first thing to do. And then again churadibhyo nitya becomes chinti. And then after that, this gets a dhatu sanya sanadhyanta dhatavaha. Then the same old step that we had over here. And we had the anvishya, same thing over here. Saman kritikayoha purvakale. Saman Sanyang Purvik Cholyap and Alubandha Lopaha, the Shakti Halantyam. And because this Pratyaya is Yakaradi, it's not Valadi, you cannot take it Agama. Even though it's Ardhatuka Pratyaya, it says Sanyam Ardhatukam, it's not Valadi. No Idagamaha. Then Niraniti. So Anidada Vardhatuke Pare Ne Lopasyat. So 6451 becomes Vichintya. So Nich Pratyaya is followed by a Pratyaya which is Sanya of Ardhatukam, which is Anitya. No idagama is there, then the nish takes lopaha. Remember, the dhatu is stated on it. It only, so dhatu allows idagama, doesn't allow idagama. So here there is no question of that because the pratyaya lyap anubandha lope ya is not valadi. So it cannot, to take idagama, pratyaya has to be valadi, val adi. The yakara is the only consonant which is not in the val pratyahara. So there's no idagama over here, and then niraniti. So anidadav ardhatuke pare, anidadav ardhatuke pare nilopasyat. 6451. Same thing, nirdharya, same thing. Now prayaha, this interesting word here, in gatav. Now when we have to form this the masculine noun with that, we get the form prayaha. Prayaha has variety of meanings. Prayaha can just mean going forward, etc. But here is the idiomatic meaning, which is pranartham anashanam. Means going forth means that fasting to death. Fasting to death. This is a special meaning of the word. So you get the sutram. See, when you have to form these masculine nouns in this language, Konspani does that in 3.3, forms nouns from verbs, from verbal roots. This default pratyaya is gain. Gain is the default. Sutram bhave comes over here, but then comes erach. Erach says that if you have a ivarnanta dhatu, pratyaya ach is to be used for. So we get the pratyaya ach because we have the ingatav, anubandha lopaha, then echo yavayavaha, and then akasam dirgha becomes paraya. So paraya could be just going forth, which has this special rudi shabda, special meaning, which maranatham anashanam. Then prayena upaveshanam. So sitting down with the intention of on account of this purpose is to fast to death, prayopaveshanam. Okay. Now, so that was, we did some Vyakaranam for this Sankrita Varnam of the Triyodasha Sargaha. Let's go on to take one verse from that Sargaha. Says, Ashoka Vanika Chapi Mahatiyam Mahadruma Imam Gamishyami Nahiyam Vichita Maya Ashoka Vanika Chapi Mahatiyam Mahadruma Imam Gamishyami Nahiyam Vichita Maya.
Yes, Satish.
Go ahead.
Ashoka Vanika cha api mahati.
Very good. Mahati.
Iyam mahadruma.
This is a samastam padam. Mahadruma. Imam.
Adhigamishyami.
Correct.
Na.
Correct.
He.
Correct.
Iyam. Vichita. Maya.
Very good. Padavichara. Ashoka Vanika. What's the vibhakti of this one? Ashoka Vanika.
Prathama
Ekvachanam. Stealing Shabda. Ashoka Vanika. Okay. One thing for Ravi, maybe this might be a new sutram for you today. Can you tell me where that ikara is coming from? This is a Shashti Tat Purusha, straightforward. Ashoka Vrikshanam Vanika is a grove of Ashoka trees. That is fine. And then the Pratyaya Kan, I think, is probably coming here. The Pratyaya Kan comes in various meanings. It can come Swarte also. It can mean Alpe also. I think, let me see the Sutram if we can. It's not. My question to you, Ravi, is where did Ikara come from?
In Vanika?
Yes. That's my question. So we are doing that. 1 second. Because ka pratyaya I'm getting, but I'm trying to get the, how do I get the, let me just get this thing. So give me 1 second, okay? Like Balika, you know, where the Ikara come from? That's, I think a new sutram for today, right? New sutram for today for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you this. This is a kind of tricky sutram. This is Alpe. This Pratyaya Kan, I think it's Alpe. This one we're using 5385 Alpe from Pratyaya Kan. Because Pratyaya Kan comes in many meanings. Alpe, Vanika, I think is a small forest, like a grove. So if you look at 5385, I mean, this is a small point, but I just thought about it. 5385 is what probably we can use. 5385 is Parimana Apachaye. It's a small size. Alpa Shabdaha. Prakriti Visheshanam Chatats, when something is small in size. Alpatta Vishishte Arte Vartamana Pratipadikat Yatha Vitam Pratya Bhavati Alpam Tailam Grutakam Pratyaktan Yatha Vitam. It's coming from Praya there. So anyway, so now okay, Ravi, Sutram is here. It is a difficult Sutram to find. I think it's 7344. Yeah, that's this Sutram for you, Ravi. So Pratyasthat Kat. Pratyay Kakara you should have. Pratyasthat Kat. Purvasya Ataha Id Api Asupaha. So if you have Pratyas, what we have Vanaka Vihar. Let's say Balaka Vihar, right? Becomes Balika. So we have Balaka. So Pratyasthat Kat Kakarat. That Ka Pratyaya, let's say Pratyaya Kan came in there. We have Pratyaya Kakara over there. And what we have Balaka. So we have the Akara. Pratyasthat Kat Purvasya Ataha. So this is the Balaka. Id Adeshaha Api. When followed by Ta Pratyaha. Asupaha. Asupaha we can ignore for time being. So that's what happened in all these words like Balika, Vanika, etc. We have this. We have this Sutram 7344. We can look at it very briefly here. 7344. That's new one for today. It's kind of hard to find because the Sutram is stuck in between over here, without much connection, you know, on one side, because there's nothing, you know. It is just, you know, this is Sutram. I always find Sutram hard to. I'm going to memorize a number for this one now, because it's really, because here comes, there's not much connection back and forth of this one, you know. So difficult to find this Sutram. 7344. So it says that Pratyasthat Kat Purvasya Akarasya Ikaraha Syat Api Na Supaha Sa Ap Supah Paro Na Chet. So that's we can ignore it. So Gopalika, you know, Ashapalika, Salvika, Karika, you know. Karika becomes Karika. So all these places like that. So we have to. You can add this to document, Ravi. Can you add this one document?
Yes, Satish. I'll do it.
This Vanika. I just put the number 7344. Okay. So anyway, Ashoka Vanika. So Vanika itself has that Ida Adeshaha, Ikara Adeshaha. Because when we made it feminine, we had to use Vanaka plus stop, Ajadyuta stop. Like in the Silinga we cannot use any term in the feminine unless we pass the inspection point of Striyam. And the first Sutram Ajadyata stop, we have Adantam Pratipadikam, then you have to put the top on top in the feminine. When that happens, so we have the Ap following, we have the Pratyakakaraha, wishing that we had the Akaraha, Akara becomes Ikaraha. So Vanika, I think this is Shashti compound, Ashokanam, Ashoka Vrikshanam, Vanika. Okay. Cha is an avyam, right? Ravi, cha api.
Cha api avyam.
Go ahead, next one, Mahati.
Mahati is also Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Nadivat, because this is, okay, now here, what brings in the, okay, I just put some Vyakaranam. Yes, correct, it's Mahati is Prathama Ekavachanam, Nadivat. In this case, Visheshanam for the Vanika. It's interesting because he says that he uses a form, so maybe it's not Alpe, right? I said Vanika is a small one. Then he says Mahati. So anyway, so because I said Vanika is a small forest, I guess still it's a grove anyway. Still compared to forest, it's probably still small. Now what happens is that the Mahati question for you, Ravi, is the Ni Pratyaya is coming here, right? Mahat Pratipadikam.
Yes.
Now what brought the Ni Pratyaya?
You have the answer right here, Satish.
It is the.
But I read the sutra sometime back.
Yes, Unadi Sutram is there. Vartamane Prashad Brahan Mahad Jagad Shatruvachya. So when this Mahat was derived, Shatruvachya, we have seen the Sutram in a Sutra Rak previously. So that's how it becomes Mahan, especially Shatruvachya. It gets the Vidisham Sarvanamasthani Dhatu and all that happens to that. Mahan, Mahanto, Mahantaha, Mahantam. Pratipadikam Mahat undergo the same operation as Shatru Pratyaya Shabdaha. This makes it Ugita. That's why you get Ugitascha. Remember this word Mahat, which sutra may be studied, Ravi, which has the Mahat Pratipadikam mentioned by Panini.
Santa Mahatas Sanyogasya.
Very good. Santa Mahatas Sanyogasya. Santa Mahatas Sanyogasya. So if you have the Sakaranta or the Mahat, which is ending in a Sanyoga, Santa Mahatas Sanyogasya. So that at that time we did the Prakriya, the Mahat Pratipadikam in Pullinge. We had looked at this Sutram 6.4.10, Santa Mahatas Sanyogasya. That doesn't matter because right now we're going to get the Pratyaya Neep in between over there. So, but yes, Santa Mahatas Sanyogasya says that. No, I'm sorry, 6.4.10. 6.4.10. Santa Sanyogasya Mahatascha yo nakaraha. Tashupadhaya dirgo sambuddho sarvanamasthane. Anyway, okay. So Ugitascha we got Neep Samahati. Then Iyam is
Iyam is Strilinga Shabda, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam?
No. It's
Prathama.
Prathama Ekvachanam of Idam. Idam is sealing it. It will become Imam. It will become Imam. Imam is Dvitiya Ekvachanam.
Okay.
Iyam, like Ayam is Pullinge Prathama Ekvachanam. Iyam is Stilinge Prathama Ekvachanam. Iyam is Stilinge. You want to quickly look at some. Where would you try to find Sutram for this? Right below the Chadadi Namaha, right? So, yes, so, Ido Epupsi. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the other Dascha.
Yes. Other Dascha. Very good. Vasu is coming to life. Very good. So look at these rules. 7-2, Idamo Maha. Very good. Then Dascha becomes Ima. Then yes, so becomes so. So let's look at that. Becomes but then Ido Epumsi becomes Ayam. So if you look at 7-2-1-1-10, 7-2-1-1-10, so you practice these rules. 7-2-1-1-10. See Iyam. Idamo Makarasya Yakara Desha Bhavati Saupataha. So becomes Idam becomes Iyam basically. So Pumsi iti vachana and Uttara Sutre Pumsi iti vachana Striyam Ayam Yakaraha. So Idamo Dasya Yaha. So becomes Iyam Sauparataha. So okay, so Sutram is maybe at least when you know where to look, you can find it pretty fast. So Iyam is Prathama Sauparataha. So it is Prathama Ekvachanam Stilinge. Pratipadikam is Idam. This is Sarvanama Shabdaha. Pronoun means this great grove. The Mahadurma Ravi is also Prathama Ekvachanam, right?
Yes, sir.
And here we give the Vigraha Vakyam. Mahanto Drumaha Yasyam Sa. So that which has large trees in that straightforward Mahat plus Jas. It's a Bahuvari compound. 2-24. Mahat Jas Druma Jas. Prajapatika Sanya for the Samudayaha. Then Supodhatu Prajapatika Yoho. Meanwhile, this Akara of Mahat, the Takara of Mahat takes the Akara Deshaha. An Mahata Sanyo, An Mahataha.
Samanadhikarana Jatiyeyo.
Very good. Samadhikarana Jatiyeyo. An Mahataha Samadhikarana Jatiyeyo. So when the Pratyaya Jatiya follows, or if Samadhikarana is there, then the Alontasya, the Takara of Mahat takes the At Adeshaha. Because we have Mahat just Druma, just this Mahat is in Samadhikarana with, has Samadhikarana with Druma. the stakar takes the akaradesha, then we do the akasami dirgha, mahadruma, and then ajadyata shtap, akasami dirgha, become mahadruma. Like this, so when we know that when the takar of mat has taken the akaradesha, then we know that samadhikaranam is there, like mahatma, mahapapam, all these places. So mahadrama, it can be karmadharya compound, also bahuri compound. This is a bahuri compound because drama had become druma, so mahadruma. Okay. Now imam is what?
Imam is dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam.
You are vikti. So there what we do take, there we just same thing, right? So there we'll have to use the chidadina maha idamo maha. So idamo maha dascha. Which one do you want to use over here? Idamo maha dascha yaso yanapekaha. I think dascha, right? 72109. 72109. Idamo dakarasya sthane makar bhavati vibhakta parta. So the imam became imam because we had idam plus then we took chadadina maha ato gune ida plus then ajadyata shtap ida plus and then we got dascha. Yeah, this is the other dascha. So this other today we saw dascha 8 to 75. This is the other dascha. Idamo dakarasya sthane makarasya bhavati vibhakto paratah. The one we saw earlier, which was this one, the idamo the yes was only when sauparataha. Same thing idoya pumsi sauparataha. But otherwise this one will be generally rule, which is the dascha idamo dakarasya sthane makarasya bhavati vibhakto paratah. Okay, so imam. Now dvitiya ekvachanam amipurvaha. Dvitiya ekvachanam. Then comes adhigamishyami. This is the thing antam padam. Clearly it is prathama purusha ekavachanam. No, utta purusha ekavachanam. You got the atu dirgho going on over there. You see lut lakara, which we have not done in the class yet. It's very straightforward. Instead of getting kattari shap, we get the sutram syatasi lutoho with the siya pratyakam in between. Idagamaha, Ravi?
Gamerit parasmay padeshu.
Very good. Gamerit, very special sutram. Idagama is the topic of 7.2. And there the pivotal sutram, the pivotal sutram there is Ardhatukasya Valadehe. But this dhatu is this Gamru is one of those Anudatta Upadesha dhatus. So it's really as a first stop, it's an anit dhatu, doesn't allow Idagama. But then finding there's a special sutram down here, it's a little bit below Gamerit Prasya Padeshu. Rudhanosche Gamerit Prasya Padeshu. Here it is. So Prasya Padeshu Gamerit. So I think Sador Pratyaya Pare. So 7 to 58. By 7 to 58 we get the authority to bring the Idagama. Even though Dhatu Gamru as the top level Nudatta Padesha. So 7 to 10. So 7 to 35 wants to come first. Ardhatukasya Valadehe. Then 7 to 10 Ekacha Padeshu Nudatta in Nishedha. But then comes special rule, Gamerit Prasya Padesh, Vishesh Vidhanam. So Gamehe Parasya Sadehe. Sade Radhatukasya Syat Prasya Padeshu. Sakaradi Pratyaya, which is Parasya Padam, then following the Dhatu Gam, that Sakari Pratyaya will take the Idagamaha. Then of course then we get Adesha Pratyaya Joho, Adhikamishyami. Means I will go towards. The next one, no, he is avyam, indeed. In Hindi we have nahi, right? Indeed no. Indeed no. Or here he can be yasmat. Indeed yes, because indeed iyam, same iyam we had, iyam here, iyam prathama ekvachanam. Vichita maya is titya ekvachanam, patipitikam asmat. We have karmani pravya vichi. So chi is to collect, to pile up, but vichi is to search. Vichi, just like we had anvish, same thing. Vichi is to search. So Vichita is Nishtha Prayogaha. Nishtha. Go ahead.
Is it Trutiya Ekavachanam, Satish? Vichita?
Vichita is called Prathama Ekavachanam, qualifying that Vanika.
Okay.
maya, because this has not been searched by me. So this is the prathama ekvachanam, qualifying vanika. Dhatu is chi, so pratyakta comes chi chayane, correct, chi chayane, but vichi means to anveshana, is to search. So then we get the nishtha pratyaha kta ktaktavatu nishtha. Then ajadyata stop. And because that tayoreva krityakta kalartaha 3, 4, 70 is a passive, so we use the krityakaranayo sthitiya, use maya. So na hi iyam vanika maya vichita. Indeed, because indeed this has not been searched by me. Okay, you do the translation, Ravi. So here all this iyam I think, is understood. A large mahati grove,
Druma,
is vanika, I think, vanika. To
api.
This is a basic compound words of Ashoka trees, is that Ashoka vanika. Now containing gigantic trees,
Is Mahadruma.
So Mahanto Durmaha. We have that Yasyamsa. I shall now explore. Adhigamishami. I will now go to it. I will take a look at it. It
is Imam.
Since
he
yataha, because that he has a meaning of yataha many times. So first try the meaning of yataha. It can be padapurnatham, it can be just to fill up the meter, but first try the meaning of yataha or yasmat, basically. Yes, yataha yasmat. It doesn't work, then it's for emphasis. Okay, it
is iyam
has not been scoured.
Na vichita.
Not is the no, and been scoured is vichita by me.
Maya.
Okay. Next one is, okay, this has some interesting things. Ashoka vanika prakaram avapritya prakarastha eva vanaramaniyakam pashyan vanam pravishya vrikshad vrikshantareshvavapritya vrikshantareshvavapritya difficult to pronounce this one. My tongue doesn't stop there. Vrikshantareshva apapritya Sitam vichinvano Hanuman kinchit chimshuka vrikshan dadarsha tadupantadvahantim saritam drishtva sanjopastyadhyartham matra Sita gamanam bhavediti sambhavayan chumshakam adhiruhya parna nibidda vitapeshu niliyavasthito bhuta. Okay. Ashoka vanika prakaram avaplutya prakarastha eva manaramaniyakam pashyan vanam pravishya vrikshantareshva vaplutya Sitam vichinvano Hanuman kinchichimshaka vrikshan dadarsha tadupantadvahantim saritam drishtva sanjopastyadhyartham matra Sita gamanam bhavediti sambhavayan chimshupam adhiruhya parnanibida vitapeshu niliyavasthito bhuta. Ravi, try it.
Yes, Satish. Ashoka vanika prakaram.
Samastam padam ishaftitat purusha. Ashoka vanika prakaram. So Ashoka vrikshanam, Ashokanam vanika, then tasyaha prakaram. Okay, go ahead.
Avaplutya.
Prakarastha, correct. Lopa shakalyasya.
Eva. Vanaramaniya.
Sorry, I think I read it wrong, right? Yeah, I read it wrong. Ramaniyakam. I'm sorry. I made the wrong. Let me read it one more time. Ashokavanika prakaram avaplutya prakarastha eva vana Ramaniyakam pashyan. Correct. Vana Ramaniyakam. Correct. Sorry about that. Vana Ramaniyakam
पश्यन्
pashyan.
वनं
Vanam
प्रविश्य
pravishya
वृक्षात्
vrikshat. Correct.
वृक्षान्तरेषु
Vrikshantareshu
अवप्लुत्य
vaplutya
सीतां
Sitam
विचिन्वानः
vichinvanaha. Correct.
हनुमान्
Hanuman
किञ्चित्
kinchit.
शिशुपाल
No, Kanchit.
oh sorry कञ्चित्
Did you say Kinchit? I read it? I hope not. So, Vichinvano Hanuman Kanchit. Yes, Kanchit. Yeah. Go ahead.
शिंशुपावृक्षं
Shimshapaviksham
प्रदर्श
Gadarasha
तदुपान्तात्
Tadupantat. Correct.
वहन्तीं
Vahantim
सरितं
Saritam
दृष्ट्वा
Drishtva.
सन्ध्योपास्त्याद्यर्थम्
Correct.
अत्र
Atra
सीतागमनं
Sita Gamanam
भवेत्
Avet
इति
Iti
सम्भावयन्
Sambhavayan
शिंशुपाम्
Shimshapam
अधिरुह्य
Adiruhya.
पर्णनिबिडविटपेषु
Correct.
निलीयावस्थितः
No, Niliya.
निलीय
Lebantam. Niliya.
अवस्थितः
Avasthitaha.
अभूत्
Abhuta. Okay, you want to try to get the vibhaktis of these. So, Ashokavanika Prakaram. What's that?
That's like रमाम द्वितीय एकवचन
That's like Ramam. So, see, like Rama Shabda, it is Prakaraha. So, Shashti, because it's Tatpurish Samasaha, so the Uttarapada is Pradhanyam, so Prakaraha. So, Rama Shabda, so Prakaram, Ditya Ekvachanam, okay. Avaplutya,
अवप्लुत्य is अव्ययम्
Avyam, Lebantam, Avyam, okay.
प्राकारस्थः is प्रथम एकवचन
Pulling is Visheshanam. It's a Pupada Samasaha. We see in some Vyakaranam below. So, it's like Madhyastaha, Kutastaha, Sutram Supicha, which we see there. Anyway, it's a Visheshanam, so Pupada Samasaha, Prakarastaha,
एव is अव्ययम्
Avyam,
वनरामणीयकम् is
Vana Ramaniyakam,
द्वितीय एकवचनम्
Ekavacham, Napumsakalinga.
and it's an
So-
adjective to vanam isn't it?
No, it's like Saundaryam, Ramaniyakam. Yeah, this Ramaniyakam, Ramaniyatvam basically. Ramani, it's a special sutram, you know. So yeah, this one is in the Tasya Bhavasvatalau. It's 51132. This was a new word for me also, to be honest with you. 51132. Ramaniyakam. 51. In Tasya Bhavasvatalau, the Adhikaraha. So we can write Yopadhat. So Guru Upottamad Vini. So Guruhu Upottamam Yasya. Tad Guru Upottamam Yakar Upadhat. So basically when you find the word Ramaniya, right? Upadha is Yakara. Then prior to that is a Guru. So that E, Ramaniya. So we should have Yakara as Upadha, and then we should have prior to should have Guru. Guru Pottamat, we Pratyabhavati, Bhavakarmano. In Kashika is Ramaniyasya Bhavaha Karmava Ramaniyakam. So you should have the so Tipta Bhruti Nam Antasya Samipam Upottamam. Basically it is the third last letter, the Upottamam. So Guruhu Upottamam Yasya. That is Guru Upottamam. So we have Ramaniya. So we have Ikara, Yakara, Akara. So it should be Yopadhat. This is the typo here. Yopadhat. So Yakara Upadhat. Guru Upottamad we. This is a special sutram for today. This is for me, by the way. 51132.
It's for everybody, Suresh.
It's for everybody. Homework for me. I did not know this sutra. I have to be honest. I had to search for this. So finding Sita might be easier than this sutra. Yopadad Gurupottamad we. Of course, it's Nya Pradipadika. Pradipadikam, which is the penultimate, is Yakara, and the third last letter is a Guru. Of course, Sanyoge Guru Dirghascha. So that is, then we get the Pratyaya we, of course, Halantyam, and then Yuranakau. So that is the sutra. Let's say, because Sanyoge, we saw this, right? Yeah, Sanyoge Guru, we should have that one. Sanyoge Guru Dirghancha. Ramaniya. So what happens? Let's finish it off, because Dhatu is Ramu. I think Ramu. Kridayam, I think. So Ramaniya first we form the Pratyaya Aniya, like Karaniya, Darshaniya. So basically,
Tavyatavyani
Yaraha, by very good, by the in Adhikar of Krityaha. This is the first Pratyaya which point it takes in the Krita Adhikaraha. So Krita thing just started. Kritya Parangulaha, Tavyatavyani Yaraha. So Aniyar, Halantyam, Ramaniya. Ramaniyascha Bhavaha Karmava, Ramaniyakam. So we have this 51132. 51132. This was a difficult question, word in this. So Yopadhat, Gurupottamad, we. So Halantyam and then Yuranakau. And because it has the Chavarga Panchamas in it, Taditeshvachamadehe, it becomes Ramaniya. So Tasya Bhava Adhikara is coming from here. So let's see Ramaniyatvam and Ramaniyakam, both are the same. So we get Ramaniya plus Nyas Tasya Bhavaha, we, and then so Yopadhad Gurupottamad we. So I think I got it finally. So Ramaniya gets the Krutvita Samasascha Pradipadika Sanya, and then Supodhas Pradipadika Yoho. Can you put his number? Just Ravi, I forgot to put his number here. Can you put 711? Yuranakau.
Okay, yeah.
Because we need that. Yuranakau. So Akka Adeshaha then become Ramaniya Akka. But Taditeshvacham Adeha. And then of course Angam gets the Bhasanya by Yachibham. Remember Tadita Pratyas are also considered the Swadi Pratyas. So Ramaniya Akka by Yachibham Yasyaticha Ramaniyaka. Okay, let's go ahead. So Ramaniyakam is Manasya Ramaniyakam. Ramaniyatvam. Napumsakalinge Dvitya Ekvachanam. Okay. Pashyan. Go ahead, Ravi. Pashyan.
Pashyan is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Pashan Dhatu Drish, and then by the sutra which you already take in Gita, Pashyan Shunman Srishan Jigran Nashnan Gachan Sapanshwasan, chapter 5 of Gita, and of course by the Pa Gradma. Correct. Drishyarti, Pashyadesha. Pashyan, okay. Go ahead.
Vanam is Dvitiya Ekavachanam.
This is the karma of Pravishya. Pravishya is
Avyayam.
Levantam Avyayam. Okay.
Vrikshat Panchami Ekavachanam.
See, because we have a Sanskrita Varana, we have a summary here, we can get a lot of these. Having done this, having done this, having done this. Because it's a summary. Yeah, Vriksha is Panchami Ekavachanam Ekaramat. Vrikshantareshu.
Saptami Bahuvachanam.
Saptami. Anyeshu Vriksheshu. What kind of samasa is this, Ravi?
Vrikshantaram.
Looks like comes in Gita of here. Dehantara Prapti. Tatadhirastamujyati. Matra Sparshastakam. Dehantara comes in Gita. Comes in Gita Dehantara. Dehantaram comes in Gita. I know it comes in Gita. Tatha Dehantara Prapti. Prapti Dhirastatamujyati. Second chapter, correct. Yeah, Dehantara. Means Dehantaram, I'll give Dehantaram is Anyaha Dehaha Dehantaram.
Avyayi Bhava Samasaha.
No.
Shouldn't
Because you can get Dehantaran, you can have. Doesn't make an Avyayam. So But
It's
what kind of
always in Napumsakalinga, isn't it, Satish?
Yeah, it becomes dehantaram, like anya, kanya, kanyantaram. So now, but what kind of samas? Look at the Vigra Vakyam. Anya, kanya, kanyantaram.
Is it Tatpurusha?
Karmadharya, right? Straightforward. But then what you have to do is that this is the Mayuravyam Sakadi. These exceptional Karmadharya, these Samadhikarana Tatpurushas, basic Karmadharya basically. So 2-1, this is the last one. Mayuravyam Sakadayascha. These exceptional words. This is the Purusha Adhikara goes from 2-1-2 to 2-2-2-2. 2-1-49, Pani starts Samadhikarana. And of course, back in 1.2, Pani defined what is Karmadharya compound. I think 1-2-42. Yeah, Tatpurusha Samadhikarana Karmadharya. So Tatpurusha Samadhikarana Karmadharya. And then here by 2-1-49, Panini starts this thing about within the Purusha Adhikara. Within that, he starts the Samadhikarana. And the last one there is this Mayuravyam Sakadayascha. These are all exceptional Karmadharya compounds. Because normally we have Visheshanam, Visheshana, Bahulam. But here we don't have that. With Antara is following, if we can neuter and this and that. So I put the Siddhanta Kaumudi, I think in the document, I put this one here. Anyo Vriksha Vrikshantaram. Gita comes in Siddhanta Kaumudi, Bhattuji says, Anyo Raja Rajantaram. Mayuravyam Sakadayascha. Okay, so basically it means Anyeshu Vriksheshu. When you see Antaram like that at the end, Vrikshantaram, Dehantaram, Rajantaram, just make it like Anya, whatever that term might be. So Vrikshantareshu means Anyeshu Vriksheshu. When you say Dehantara Prapti means Anya Deha Prapti. Dehantara Prapti. Okay. Avaplutya.
Avyayam.
Again, Lyabantam, we get the Tuk Agamaha. Jasvasya Kriti Tuk. Sitam is Dvityayika. Vichinvanaha.
This is a Shanajanta.
Shanajanta. Pratama Ekvachanam. We had the word Manvanaha before. Very similar to that. Of course, Manvanaha, that was the Tanajikranvya Uhu. But here this is the Ching Chayane. So this is going to be the Swadibhya Shnu. So today we saw these sutras today, right? So we had the form Manvana, I think sometime before. Here in Ramanam only we had that. So in Manvanaha we were using this one, Tanadi Krimbhya Uhu, which we did today because what is it? Manu Avabodhane, is it?
Manu Avabodhane.
Avabodhane. This is Chayane. So this one we have to use Swadibhya Shnu. Otherwise, remaining, we'll do it down in some Vyakaranam. Okay, Hanuman, Pratama Ekvachanam. Kan, so Chit is an Amvyayam, Kam is the Dvitiya Ekvachanam of Pradipadikam, Kimah Kaha. Kam is Pullinge Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Is qualifying Sarvanama Shabda, Shim Shapa Vriksham, of course here is Sandhikaryam here, Gastoshchonashcho, and then you get Shashchoti. Shashchoti is the Chakaradeshaha. We'll not do this in the class because we have already done this in the examples many times. So by 8.463 Shashchoti. Shashchoti. So Shimshapa Vriksham Dvitiya Ekvachanam.
Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Nadarsha is Prathama Purusha Ekvachanam.
Lit Lakara. This we've seen many times. Tadarsha. Bahuvaram Drishtam. Tadarshiti Padam Bahuvaram Drishtam. So Yadrishir Prekshane Pratya Lit Parokshe Lit Anubandha Lopaha. Then Pratya Tip comes, Tip becomes null, Tip Tajji. Because Lit gets a sanya of Ardhatukam, so Tibadayaha. Even though things is Savatukam, Lit they get sanya of Ardhatukam in the place of Lit, so there's no Kartri Shap. Kartri Shap is only Sarvadhatuke. And then Anubandha Lopaha Chutu Halantyam, Abhyasa Karyam, Vichidhatur Anubhyasasya. Then Hladisheshaha. Well, first we can do the Urat, Uranda Paraha. The Ruvarnan Abhyasa takes the Adda Akara Desha, Uranda Paraha, Hladisheshaha. Then Puganta Lugupatasya, Uranda Paraha Darsha. Okay. Then Tadupantat from
It's Panchami Ekvachanam.
Panchami Ekvachanam. Tadupanta. Upanta is, kind of the borderline to Tadupanta. Upagatam antam upanta. Upanta. So Tadupanta Panchami Ekvachanam. Okay. Vahantim.
Vahantim is Dvitiya Ekvachanam.
Dvitiya Ekvachanam. It is Shatripatyant Shabdaha. So we look at the Numagamaha is Shapshanor Nityam. Shapshanor Nityam Vahantim.
Then Ugitascha.
Ugitascha, correct. Ugitascha. From because Vahat, then Ugitascha Neep, and then we get Shapshanor Nityam. Numagamaha. Vahantim. Okay. Saritam.
Saritam Dvitiya Ekvachanam.
That becomes Sarit. Siringa Shabda. Sarit. So this is not Ramavat or Vanavat. This is Takaranta Padibidikam. Stilinga Padibidikam Sarit. Saritam. Okay, Drishtra.
Drishva Avyayam.
Avyam Pratyaktva. Samankartapya. Purva Kale. Then how did we get the Murdhani Shaka Sharavi?
Drishva. Is it Shtunashtuhu?
No, first the Dhatu is.
Yeah, Vrashcha.
Vrashcha, correct. Vrajashcha Sham. So any Dhatu in Talavi Shakara Jali Padante takes the Murdhanya Shaka Shaha. So we get Drishtva and then Shtunashtu. Drishtva. Before that, we have to use 7 to 10. Ekachapatishanodatta to stop the Idagama. Okay, then Sanjopasthadyartham. Okay, Sanjopasti. Dhatu is upa plus as is to worship, to attend upon. Upastihi will be striyam ktin, remove the patya ktin, never takes idagamaha, no matter what the dhatu is, a general rule. So sandhyayaha upastihi. So worship of the sandhya, sandhyopasti. Tatpurusha compound shashti. Then sandhyopastihi. Adihi, you can say Yesham or Yasya Tat, Yesham Tani, either one, Bahuvri is compound. So those purposes, so it's Adi Artham. So it is, so now, okay, let's finish this one. For it's basically Sandhyopasti, etc. So those things which have the Sandhyopasti as the beginning, means Sandhyopasti, etc. Now, what kind of compound could this be? Sanjopastyadi, we got Bahuvrihi. Sanjopastyadhyartham. What can this be?
That's.
For example, we say Tubhyam idam Tubhyam. He says is Tvadartham idam. What kind of samasa is this? I think what this is this is Chaturthi Samasaha. Like this is okay. Let's look at once again quickly. Is see Chaturthi. We're just starting with our basic topography of the Ashtadhyayi. The Tatpurusha Samasa goes from 2-1-2 to 2-2-2-2. Within that, Panini has a sutram which says Chaturthi Tadarthartha. Let's find that one. Urvakale, it will come over here. Was first Tatpurushaha, Dvitiya, Tiya, 36, Chaturthi, Tadarthartha Bali Hita Sukharakshitaihi. Tadartham, like we say, Upaya Daru, Tadartha. And then the word Artha. The word Artha. Now that has a Vartikam on that, Ravi. 2136 has a Vartikam on it. 2136. 2136 says that Arthena Nitya Samasa Vachanam Sarvalingata cha Vaktavya. So Brahmanartham Payaha Brahmanaya Paya become Brahmanartham Payaha. So you take a Chaturthi Antam like Brahmanaya Payaha. Milk for the water, milk for the Brahmana. Become Brahmanartham Payaha. So it becomes an adjective. So the Sarvalingata cha Vaktavya. So normally you have Paravalingam Dunata Purushayoho. But this now becomes adjective to Payaha. Brahmanartha Yavagu. So it's a gruel, what's a barley thing which is made for Brahmanartha. So now we can say how will you use it in our example now? We had so far we have Sanjopastyadi. So some
Sanjopastyadehe.
So like we take it like Hari Shabdaha. Adaye, right?
Yeah, then Adaye.
Adaye. If you want to take it as Strilinga Shabda, you can make it like. So Adi or Adai, two forms, right? Mati, Mataye, Matye. Right?
Yes.
If you take it as a Saman, if you take Napumsake, Saman and Napumsakam. So Saman in Napumsakam, Saman in Napumsakam, then what will you make it? Like you'll make it like Varine, right? Chaturthi Ekvachanam, Ravi? So Varine. Or you can say make it Bahuvachanam. You can make it Sanyopastyadibhyaha. So for the sake of that, equals Sanyopastyadhyartham. Now, what Lingam Vachanam, where did that come from? I think this is coming from this. This is probably it is going to be a. You can make it Samanina Pumsakam. Samanina Pumsakam. So for that purpose, something. It is something. So it is a thing which is so Sita Agamanam Bhave. So Sita would come here for something like worshipping the Sandhya Devi, etc. Something like that. So I think we can make it Samanya Napumsakam. You can, or do you want it Kriya Visheshanam? Sanjopastya Dhyartham Yathasyat Tatha Agamanam. So then we'll make it, in either case I think we have to take it as a Napumsakalinge Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Dvitiya, it will not be Prathama. Because Prathama is not, Agamanam is Prathama. So, because this, unless you're taking, I see, if you're taking it Sita Agamanam, taking Samadhikaranam with that, correct? I mean, but because if you compare it to this example over here, we only said, Brahmanartham Payaha. Correct? Here, Brahmanartham is Prathama Ekvachanam. Correct? Samadhikaranam with Payaha. So this is Brahmanaya Payaha, Brahmanatham Payaha. So then we can say same thing here. Sanyopastyadhyartham is Samadhikaranam is Sita Gamanam. Sita Gamanam, which is for the sake of Sandhyopasti, etc. So we can take it that. So I think there are two ways here. We take it as a Visheshanam to this one, Sita Gamanam. Savalingata Vachya is what the Vartikam says. So in any case, it can be Chaturthi Tatpurushaha with the Artha Shabdaha. And by the Vartikam it gets Sarvalingata. And therefore we make it to be Sanjopastyadhyartham. Napumsakalinge, make it Prathama Ekvachanam. Prathama Ekvachanam, we can make it Sanjopastyadine. If you take it Samanya Pumsakam for the purpose of, for the sake of, for doing Sandhyopasti, etc. Okay. Are you okay with that, Ravi?
Yes, sir.
Sandhyayaha upasti, Sandhyopasti. First of all, upasti pratyastriyamtin. Sandhyayaha upasti, Sandhyopasti adgunaha. Then Bahuri compound Sandhyopastyadi. Sandhyopastyadine or Adibhya we can make it better. Sanjopastya, then we don't have to worry about it. Sanjopastyadibhya equals Sanjopastyadhyartham, and make it with the help of the Vartikam, Sarvalingata, and then we make it Prathama Ekvachana Pusalinge. Atra of course is Avyam, because Saptamyastra, right? This is the, I think, what, 5.3 from 5.3 will be here. Saptamyastra. Atra means Asmin Sthane. Sitayaha Gamanam, yes.
How do we determine whether it is Bhavete is the verb, right?
Bhavet, yes.
And then why would it not be Ditya?
No, yeah, because, oh yes, that's a good. Level space says Ramaha Viro Bhavati, right? Rama Viro Bhavati. Now, what is the definition of karma vasu? The definition of karma is in the section of Karake. Kartuhu. Ipsitamam. Correct. Ipsitamam karma. So, which means that it is something which the Kartu desires the more, Ipsitamam, most for through the action. Right?
So here, Karta is the Hanuman who is thinking.
Okay, now let's take a simple sentence. Ramaha Viro Bhavet. Ramo Viro Bhavet. So why isn't Viraha in Dvitiya Ekvachanam? Because simple fact is that when you say Kartu Vipsitatamam Karma, that karma should be different from the Kartu. Correct? Like when some is Rama Phalam Ichchati, whatever it might be. So Rama Sitam Pashyati. All these cases that Sita or the Phalam different from Rama. We say Rama Vira Bhavati, that Vira is Rama himself. He's not desiring something other than himself. So when you say Ipsitamam, clearly it implies that something which is desired is different from him, not the same as him. So when it's dhatu in the sense of bhu, us, like vidyate, in this they don't take a karma. You cannot take, because this is when you say Rama Vira Bhavati. What's that? Akarma Kadhatavaha. It looks like Vira is an object of that. See, what do we have right now? Is Sita Yaha. Agavanam is the karta here, not Hanuman Vasu. See, here we don't even need that. See, here we don't have like, what called a predicate we don't have as such, So there we have Ramaha, Viraha, Bhavati, we have to think about. But here, it's not Hanuman. It's inside the iti Vasu. Be careful. We are inside the iti. So from here to here is the iti quotation. So Sanjopastyadyartham atra Sita Gamanam Bhavet. A separate sentence inside, that's inside the quotation, excuse me. It's inside the quotation. So Bhavet, the subject, go ahead.
I get it. Yeah. I get
Yeah, Sita Gamanam is the kartru, not Hanuman. Okay. So Bhavet is of course Vidiling, Purusha Ekvachanam. Iti ends the quotation. It starts from here. Sanjopastyadyartham Atra Sita Gamanam Bhavet. Okay. Now, Sambhavayan.
Again, like Pachan, Nijanta.
Pachan. This is Nijanta, like who becomes Bhavi. So, but Sambhavayati means to make it think of it as a possibility, making it possible, thinking it possible. Sambhavayan means thinking of it as a possibility. Sambhavayan, contemplating as a possibility. Now, this is a who becomes Bhavi. This Sandhikaryam, Ravi.
This is Shituk.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Shituk is one sutram here, which so here what's happening is here you have to have some fun with these rules. Shituk, what number is that? 8-3, like 14? No, 8-3. Shituk comes somewhere here, right? Shituk is here, 8-3-31. So Nashcha, Shituk. This sutram, so okay, you want to just quickly tell the steps here, Ravi?
Wow, it will be difficult.
No, it's not, it's straightforward. Okay, let's start with, so Padantasya Nasya, She Pare Tugva. So what we have Sambhavayan, right, and Shimshupa. So what do you want to do first? We have to get the Tuk Agamaha. Right? So we have Sambhavayant and Shimshupa. Now what happens? We get 2 times we get Stoshchunashchu, correct? Sambhavayan, the Panchavarna, Cha, and Shimshupa. Correct?
Right.
Then what happens?
And we can do Jharo, Jhari, Savarna.
Now wait. Don't go so far, because we have to first tackle Shashchoti. We don't want to lose the Chakara right now. We need that one. We need that one, because the Jayaha on the Shashchoti. So we have Sambhavayan Cha Shimshupa. The Chakara is the Jai. So now we can use Shashchoti. Sambhavayan Chimshupa. And now Jarojari Savarne. Remove that middle Chakara. Sambhavayan Chimshupa. Correct. So the trick is to get the Tuk by the Shituk. Keep it there. Of course, in the mean we have to Soshchunashchu for that. Keep it there to get the Shashchoti, because it requires a Jai to proceed. And then do Jarojari Savarne. Remove that one. That's the thing. So one more time, we get the Shituk. This is Vikalpena. There will be 4 forms. What will be the 4 final forms, Ravi?
That's homework, Suresh.
No, very straightforward. See, first you do only Sunashchuhu. So Sambhavayan, That is Nityakaram. You cannot avoid that. The Nakara will have to take Stoshchunashchu. No matter what you do, it's going to be followed by that one. So that is, so keep one simple form. Sambhavayan Shimshupa. Shimshupa. Now you do Shituk. Okay? They'll give you two forms. Sambhavayanch Shimshupa. Sambhavayanch Chimshupa. Finally, Jarojari Savarne. Sambhavayan Chimshupa. So there will be four forms. One in all four forms, the Nakara will take Stoshchunash to become Nyakaraha. The Tuk Agamaha will come. There will be a Chakara in between. And then Shashchot is optional. Why are we getting four forms 2 by 2? Because both Shituk as well as the Shashchoti are optional. So we get 2 times 2, 4 forms. So one time only Stoshchunashchu will come in all places. So Stoshchunashchu we get, Sambhavayan Shimshupa. Then Shituk will get 2 forms because Shashchot is optional. So Sambhavayan Shimshupa, Sambhavayan Chimshupa. Finally, Jarojari Savarne. Sambhavayan Chimshupa. Okay. So the rules here are, one more time, if you do some homework, is, of course, Shashchoti, that is 6-4, 8-4, 63, and then Shituk. Shituk is the one of 8-3-30. Padanta Nakara. Okay, if you don't look at
Jarojari Savarne.
And finally, yes, thank you. Jarojari Savarne. So Padantasya Nasya She Paretukva. Okay. Shimshupam Adhiruhya, same thing, Lebantam. Avyam. Parna Nibida Vitapeshu.
Saptami Bahuvachanam.
Vachanam. Parnaihi. Nibida is dense. Dense. Nibida Vitapa is dense. Vitapa is these branches. So they were dense with these leaves. Parnaihi. Nibideshu Vitapesha. We take it like that. Niliya again Lebantam. Avyam. Avasthitaha.
Prathama Ekavachanam.
Then Abhut.
Abhut. Lung.
Lung Lakara.
Lung, sorry.
Anyatha Abhavat iti bhavet. So it will be Abhavat. Any sutra, any chance here, Ravi?
Abhut is Gatis. No.
Oh, very good. I'm impressed.
Gatista Ghopa Bhubhyas Vichaf Prasmai Pradeshu.
Ah, very good, very good. Very good. What number will that be? In the 7-4. Gatistha. Because this look Prakaran is coming, look, right? So we look under the look Prakaran. Yeah, that's where to look. So here it is. Gatistha, Ghupa, Bhubhyaha, Sichaf Prasupadesh. This is also my teacher's favorite sutram. Gatistha, Ghupa, Bhubhya, Sichaf Prasupadesh. Following these dhatus. Of course, before that we have to do the Chilungi Chile Sich. So we have Bhu, and then after that we take this one. So Chilungi Chile Sich, and the Sich goes away by this 2-4, I think 78, no 77. So then Gatistha Bhupa Gupa Bhubhyasichaf Prasipadeshu Abhut. Okay. Now the next thing is that this is translation. Let's try this one. Leaping down.
Avaplutya.
Avaplutya. To the enclosure is
Prakaram.
Prakaram of the Ashoka grove. That's Samastam Padam.
Ashoka Vanika.
Ashoko. So Ashoka Vrikshanam Vanikayaha Prakaram. Ashoka grove. And it's probably a church somewhere hanging around. Maybe a Dhyaratam. Watching.
Vashyan.
Vashyan. The loveliness. Ramaniyakam. Ramaniyatam Ramaniyakam. So Yopadhad. Grupottamad. Grupottamad. That's my homework. Yopadhad. Grupottamad. 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 Yopadhad. Grupottamad. Okay. So just loveliness. It's a very lovely sutram. Sutrasya Ramaniyakam. Sutrasya Ramaniyakam. Okay. Off the grove is that
Vana.
Vana Ramaniyakam. From the top of the wall. Prakarastha. Prakarastha. So Prakare Tishtati Prakarastha. Supistha we see in a second. Prakarastha. Chupistah, correct. Hanuman is Hanuman somewhere here. Enters.
Enters is
Having entered.
Ravish, yeah.
Pravisha. The grove.
Oh,
Vanam.
Vanam.
And leaping from tree to tree. So leaping is, having leaped is
Avaplutya.
avaplutya. Dhatu plu comes in Gita, right?
Plavana Taranayo.
Charanayoho, okay. To swim, cross, float, says that, Yavanarthodapana sarvatas samplutodake. Samplutodake, water flooding on all sides. The word plavaha is a raft that by which you go across. So plu, to swim, to float, or, any of you, I don't know, this is not a good example to give, but anyway, this dhatu is used over there. Those who guys who play this, this card game like Rummy, this thing called Paplu, Joker, in this called this, which can take any card, Paplu. This from the dhatu plu. It floats anywhere. Anyway, I'm sorry, it's not a good example to give, but it is true. Paplu has come from this dhatu plu. It floats around. This card can take any, like in English we call Joker is the Paplu. Okay, from tree to tree.
Vrikshat.
From Vrikshantareshu. So Vrikshat Anyesha Vriksheshu. In the course of his search.
Vichinvanaha.
Searching. Again, Vichi is to search for Sita.
Sitam
Vichinvanaha. Catches sight.
Tadarsha.
Of a Shimshupa tree.
Shimshupa Vriksham.
Of a certain Shimshupa tree, that's Kanchit.
Kinchit Shimshupa Vriksham.
Kanchit Shimshupa Vriksham. Of a certain, some Shimshuka tree. Now, espicing, having seen this, Drishtva. A stream,
Saritam.
Running, flowing, Vahantim. Beside it, Tadupantat, along the border of it, kind of, and is somewhere, expecting,
See,
I think Sambhavayan.
Someone
say postulating, making as a possibility that
Iti.
Sita turn up is Sita Gamanam. Might is Bhavet. So Sita turn up is Sitaya Agamanam. On the bank of the stream, I think is Atra. Only. To say Sandhya prayers, etc. is that Sanjopastyadyartham. He takes up his position. No, I think this avasthitaha abhut. He became stationed. Avasthito abhut. He takes up his position. So avasthito abhut. He became stationed. On that Ashoka tree is that Adhiruhya. So I think having climbed that Simshupa tree, he becomes stationed. Hiding is that one which you said. Niliya. Li is to kind of to dissolve, to hide from like Lina. To subside. Himself is this. Hiding himself is Niliya. Behind is the Saptami. It's leafy boughs. Nibida Vitapeshu. Among these boughs which were dense, Nibida is dense with these leaves. Nibida Vyakaranam, Avaplutya, again, both these Avaplutya, Adhiruhya, Niliya, all these three places we have this many times. You're going to have a lot of these Samakritakayo, Purvakale. And in the Sutram, Panini said, Dvivachanam atantram. We can have more than two actions. So, like we have so many of them. We have like here, Adhiruhya, then Niliya. So all these places we get Samanakritakayo Purvakale. Then when the Samasa is formed, Samasanyang Purvek Lyap. And then in Avaplutya Tuk Agama Raswasya Piti Kriti Tuk Rasu Karaha. Because the pratyaya lyap is a pit pratyaya, so pitikati tukagamaha. Then shakati nivruttau, then stha is nimit. We have this dhatva deshassaha nimitta apaya nimittikasyaapyapaya. Reverse chunashtu is gone. We get stha. Then we get the sutram supistha prakare tishtati iti prakarastha. We had some detail in the Wednesday class if you want to look at the notes over there. So this is upapada samasa because word stha cannot stand on its own, doesn't have swatantriyam. We cannot say tishtati iti stha iti vaktum na shakyate. So this is so we have the actually let me think about it 1 second. Yeah, no, we cannot say correct. So then we need this sutram upapadam ating tatrapapadam saptami stham. We don't have this class, we don't do too much vyakaranam. I want to give its numbers supistaha, but so supistaha is a sutram which says that if you have the upapadam of any sup, the adhikara of tatrapapadam saptami stham. So supi is saptami of sup. So any sup in this case is prakare. When that word is close by, then the stha can take the pratyaya ka kartari krat. And then because this sutram upapadam ating, upapadam is prasamanadishtam samas upasajanam purvam. So prakara goes first. So prakara ni plus tha alubandha lope lashakutadhite. Then we get the ato lopa iticha. Adantamangam for a pratyasanya of ardhadhatukam. It takes lopa half is kit nit or if it is idagama. So in this case it's a kit pratyaya. So 6464. This pratyas ka gets the sanya of ardhatukam by ardhatukam shesha. This is the adhikara of ardhadhatuke. 6446 ardhadhatuke. So ato lopa iticha, and then of course the entire samudaya is akar lopa. Entire samudaya gets the pratipadika sanya samasascha supo dhatupadikayo. So prakara is an adjective. Nita madhyastha kutastha. So Ramaniya we just saw, this Ramaniyam Sutram we saw today, Ramaniya, which is the Yopadha Grupottama we did that already. Then we also saw this one, Anyo Vrikshaha Vrikshantaram. This is the Mayurabhamsaka Adeshcha. Last Sutram in 2.1. Special kinds of Karmadharya compounds. So in that there is this one is listed 2172, Mayurabhamsaka Adeshcha. Then Ching Chayane, we get the pratyaya Vichinvanaha pratyaya Shanach first Vartamane Lat Tashatri Shanacha Pratham Tashatri Shanacha Pratama Samadhikarane Shanach. Then of course we get the Swadibhya Shnuho in the Adubandha Lopaha, and then we get Hushnuvo Sarvadhatuke. Now because we know Ane Muk, because it's only if you have Adantamangam, that doesn't apply. Then we do not do this, decline it, Sasajusho, Ruhu, etc., Rutta Visargao. And the Vichinvanaha we found it, Kukati Paradeha, Tatprisamasaha. The Darshi we already did that, Vahantim Numagamaha here by Shapshanor Nityam. So this is a Achinadyornum. We have done this in the class, so you can look up your class notes. Here we have Achinadyornum is Vikalpena. While it's 7180 Achinadyornum. But then Shapshanor Nityam, because it's Dhatu Vah Vadiganaha. We get Shapshanor Nityam. So this Shatru Pratyaya takes the there is a shap prior to that, so it takes the Num Agamaha Nityam. When followed by Nadi. Nadi means this Sri Pratyaya. And as Ravi said, Vitascha. So Vahanti and Upagato Antam Upantaha, adjective. So Vartikam, this is a Pradisamasaha. Atyadeha Krantyadyate Dvitiyaya. This all done in the Wednesday class in great detail. Time is up, Ravi. You won't just do the Padacheda and translate. We'll do the Vyakaranam next time. Just do this one. Lata Pratanair Bahubhir Parnaishcha Bahubhir Vratam Kanchanim Shimshupam Ekan Dadarshasa Mahakapihi Vratam Hemamayi Bhistu Vedika Bhisamantataha Lata Pratanair Bahubhi Parnaishcha Bahubhir Vratam Kanchanim Shimshupam Ekan Dadarshasa Mahakapihi Vratam Hemamayi Bhistu Vedika Bhisamantataha. Pradacheta first, Ravi.
Lata pratanaihi.
Straightforward. Latanam pratanaihi. Pratanaihi is like these boughs, shoots of these creepers. Latanam, simple Shachita Purusha, it is the Bahubhihi. Parnaihi. Cha. Bahubhihi.
Vrutam. Kanchanim. Shimshupam. Ekam. Dadarsha. Saha. Mahakapihi. Vrutam. Hemamayibihi. Tu. Vedikabihi.
Samantataha. So Lata Pratanaihi is what? Pratitya Bhuvachanam. This is Latanam Pratanaha, straight for Shashti Samasaha, is the shoots of creepers and by them. Because this Vrutam is in the passive, the Pratyakta has been used Nishtha Sutam 3.2.1 Taktavatu Nishtha and 3.4.70 Tayorevar Kutyaktak Kadataha. See passive. So the Karta is this one. So Lata Pratanaihi and also Paranaishcha. Of course, Bahu is qualifying this. So all these Tritya Bahochanam. Lata Pratanaihi, Bahubhi is adjective to that. So these are all Paranaihi, all Tritya Bahochanam. Chojanam Vyam. So, Vrutam is Ditya Ekvachanam. Is adjective to? Shimshupam. Also Kanchanim and Ekam also adjective to Shimshupam. Simple sentence is Shimshupam Dadarsha. So Mahakapihi, Saha Mahakapihi, Shimshupam Ekam Dadarsha. So he saw a Shimshupat. And the commentator says Ekam is Mukhyam, means a singular tree, singular. Vrukshantara Sambandha Rahitam. Look at Vrukshantara, Anya Vruksha. Vrukshantara Sambandha Rahitam. It was standalone. He saw a stand-alone Shimshupat tree, which was golden and which was covered with a number of with many leaves and also with shoots of these creepers. And then again Vrutam, same thing. Hemamayi bhihi vedikabhihi. Again Vedikabhi. Vedika is these platforms around the base of the tree, I think. So Hemamayi, we'll look at the Hemamayi is golden basically. We'll look at this in Vyakaran in a second. Also covered by golden surrounded by golden platforms. Samantataha is this pratyaya we saw in the Samantat on all sides. This is an Amvyam. This one Vedika Bhi is Strilinge Titya Bhushanam. And Hemamayi Bhi is qualifying that. Pratyaya is Mayat. So by Tidhani 4.1.15, Pratyaya Nip has come. Because the Mayat Pratyaya, Tadita Pratyaya, has takar as an it. So rather than taking Ajadyata stop, it has taken the Pratyaya Nip at 4.1.15. Tit Dhani. So any tit Pratyaya is there. Adanta Pradipadikam Pratyaya Nip kam. Apavada for the Ajadyata stop. Okay, now here Sandhikaryam Saha is, what sutram there, Ravi?
Etattados lopo ko mase hali.
Correct. Etattadoho sulopo kor samase hali. So this we won't do in the class. I'll just mention it to you. 6 on 132. So hali, any hal followed, because this other should become like so Mahakapi, but doesn't become like that. So Mahakapi is Prathama Ekavachanam, Saha Prathama Ekavachanam, Pradipadikam Tad Dadarsh we already saw. Litlakara, Prathapurusha Ekavachanam, Ekam, Shimshupam, Kanchanim, Vrutam, all of these is Ditya Ekavachanam, Silinge, Bahubhihi, is qualifying Paranaihi, Titya Bhavachanam, Choisanam Vyayam. Okay. So that is what, Tavi?
That. Saha.
Saha. Mighty monkey.
Mahakapihi.
Is understood. Cited.
Dadarsha.
A singular.
Ekam.
Golden.
Kanchanim.
Shimshupam. Ashoka tree. Intertwined. Vrutam. With numerous clusters
बहुभिः
I think
लता प्रतानैः.
yeah, I think yeah, numerous is bahubhihi. Clusters of climbers, lata prataniha. Yeah, pratana can also be something like a stretched out, you know, any like covering, stretching out. Clusters, tanu vistare, pratana. Also can be like an overhang or something, you know, from clusters of climbers, lata pratanihi, and clothed.
Clothed is vrutam.
Vrutam. Gita translation, they always do that, you know, translate appropriately each with respect. Clothed with abundant,
बहुभिः
again bahubhi, leaves,
पर्णैः.
parnaihi. And actually, two.
Tu
This is Gita passage. There must be some word over there. Surrounded,
samantatah.
vrutam again, I think. Vrutam.
Oh, sorry, vrutam.
Third vrutam. This one is on all sides. That is the one. Samantataha. By golden,
हेममयीभिः
hemamayibhihi. Dioceses. There's a platform.
वेदिकाभिः.
Vedikabhi. Okay, we stop with that. Actually, there's nothing much here. Latam pratanihi, we already did Shashti Samasaha. Ekam mukhyam brukshantra sambandha rahitam. That is just commentary on that, which means that it is a singular tree, standalone tree. Mahakapihi is the Karmadharya compound. We just saw the sutram today. An Mahataha, which we told us. Samadhanikarana Jatiyayoho 6346 Alontyasya. When Mahat is Samadhikaranam in a compound, Alontyasya Takar takes the Akara Desha Akasamadhikha Samadhikarana Jatiyayoho. So Hemnaha Vikaraha, this Hemamai, last word for today. Hemnaha Vikaraha. Spatya is Mayat. Sutram is by 4.3.143 and 4.3.135. You have, okay, 135 says, Avajavecha Pranyoshati Vrukshebhyaha. So Vikaraha. See this Adhikara Tasya Vikaraha. Adhikara is coming over here. Means which is modification, is made of, basically made of that. Consisting of that. A transformation of that. So made out of. But then Avajavecha, but only Prani Aushadhi Vrukshebhya. Let me be particular of Heman. Heman is gold. It's not a Prani or Aushadhi or Vrikshaha. So Avajave cannot be used, only Tasya Vikaraha. Then Mayat Va Etayoho means that Avajave Atva Vikari, but Avajave only in the sense of these. So in this case Vikari only. Bhashaya means not Chandasi. Abhaksha Chadanayoho. Should not be something to eat or to clothe. Abhaksha Chadanayoho. Bhashayam Etayoho Arthayoho means Avajave Vikari. But Avajave only in these, following these, which we don't have. We have Heman right now. Mayatva. So Mayat means Vikara. So Hemnaha Vikaraha. Hemamayam. And make it Heman. Yes, takes so make it Mayat Halantyam. Then Krita is Samasascha. Look after that. Suputha Pradakayoho. Then Heman gets the Patya Vipatya Lakshanam Supting. And so actually we can take here this one. Swadishvaramasthani. Because it's Swadi Pratyaha Mayat. So Swadishvaramasthani. Heman Padasanya and then Nalupaha Pradipadikantastya. So Swadishvaramasthani. Nalupaha means Striyam, as I said to you, because the Mayat has the ters and it as an it, it's a tit. So we get the Tidhani. Instead of getting Ajadyata Shtap, we get the Neep. And as usual, Yachibham and then Yasyaticha Hemamai. So this, yes.
So this mantra Annamayagum hi Somya Manaha.
Annamayam.
Annamayam. That's a Vikaraha, isn't it?
So that is I think Vikaraha only. Definitely Vikaraha. Like all the Taittiriya, right?
This is Chandogya.
Chandogya, but Taittiriya has that, right? Annamaya Koshaha, this Kosha, that Kosha, right?
Annamaya Koshaha, yes.
Yeah, so all that Manomaya, all these are like that only. This is the Pratyaya Mayat. The Samantataha is Samanta with Vartikam, Tasi Prakarane, Adya Debya Upasankhyanam. So this Tasi Pratyaya, this is not Tasil, this is Tasi. Tatsi can only be a Kim Samanama Bhobhya. This is Vartika 5-4-44 you've seen before. So that brings in any vibhakti you can use this. This is what we call as the Sarvibhaktika Tasi. Sarvibhaktika Tasi. Vibhakti Tasi. So we can say on all sides Samantat. Let's stop with that next time. Thank you, Ravi. Next time we start with the Panchashasaryaha. Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Bhyata Nishachara Chamu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha Raman Nasti Paranam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham Rame Chittale Sada Bhotame Bhorama Mamuddhara Rama Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattuliyam Ramanama Varanane Shri Ramanama Varanana Undameti. So again, this was October 22nd. Ramayanam Sundarakandam. Next class will be only on November 12th. Thank you, Ravi. How are you doing, Masubi? Okay.